Welcome to AssemblyTube, the free website for assembly leaders. The database is where most of the materials for assemblies are found. You can find it from the main website. Here's the database. On the left hand side you can see a quick menu. When you hover you can click on the different sections to find what you're looking for. Lots of ideas here. Alternatively, if you go to the All Assemblies button at the top, you can see all the materials listed in a long column. I'm going to scroll down now and you'll see there are lots and lots of ideas here, different key stages, music and so on. It's a good idea to have a look through when you first start using AssemblyTube. If you click on a section, it will open up and show you the materials, and there are several pages in each section if you go to the bottom of the section.